Puwede po ba mag-pension loan si survivorship pensioner? Answer, please watch the full video, friends. Sasagutin natin ang question na ito sa last part ng video. Kasi po yung first three questions natin ay importante po about pension loan ni GSIS. Dapat malaman natin ito and aware po tayo. Alright? Question number 1. What are the requirements in filing a pension loan over the counter? Answer, the requirements in filing pension loan over the counter are a filled out application form and a government issued ID. Opo, dalawang requirements lang po ang i-comply natin para maka-avail tayo sa GSIS pension loan. Question number 2. How long is the processing time of a pension loan under the revised program? Answer, a pension loan shall be processed within the day of filing if the application is received by the GSIS on or before noon. Application filed through kiosk shall be electronically processed within the day of application. Simple said, friends, madali lang po ang processing ng pension loan na ito. So kung morning po or before noon ma-receive, i-process agad yan within the day. Kung sa kiosk naman mag-file, within the day of application din ang processing electronically. Question number 3. Will the pension loan be credited immediately after processing? Answer, no. The proceeds of the pension loan shall be credited to the pensioner's ATM account within 3 to 5 working days from application. Simple said, friends, 3 working days. Ibig sabihin, hindi kasali ang Saturday and Sunday and holiday. 3 working days po. Ma-credit agad yan sa ATM account ni pensioner. O ito na. Ito na yung last question natin. Pwede ba ang survivor pensioner mag-pension loan? Answer, no. Hindi pwede, ma'am or sir. Only the regular old age pensioners ang qualified to borrow under the revised program. Ito po yung research natin sa website ni GSIS. Alright? So hope na nasagot natin ang question. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.